I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiana Lashay, and in today's video I will be trying out the Camille Rose holiday collection, and it's the Coco collection. What comes in this collection is the Coco body oil with radiant, soft, and glow, and it smells like chocolate. Like this whole line smells like chocolate, and I'm gonna spritz some on the back of my hand for you guys so you guys can, you know, see. And as you can see, and when you rub this stuff in, it feels so freaking good. Like it feels soft. Like it makes your skin so soft, but it does smell like chocolate. It smells like hot chocolate. It smells like hot chocolate. That's what it smells like. It smells just like hot chocolate. And another thing that came in here is a 6-ounce deep conditioner. It's supposed to supple, soften, supreme nourishment, and all the ingredients in here you can pronounce. Like the first ingredient is water, coconut oil, cocoa seed butter, BTMS, aloe vera extract, plant-based. Like it's just like everything, like all that good stuff. The packaging is super cute. It's a little pink miniature package with the gold lid. It kind of reminds me of the organic packet, but you know, it's still cute, but they gave it a little own flair to it. And the product is actually chocolate. Like it's actually a hot chocolate cocoa color, and with all these good ingredients in it, I'm like super ready to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and divide my hair in half. Like, and we're not gonna go heavy-handed on this little small thing because it's nothing but a 6 ounce. And I did a bentonite clay mask, if you can tell by all the mess that's still in my hair that don't never want to just completely rinse out and let me be great. So okay, so we're gonna start on the back half, and I'm gonna re-spritz my hair with water because it don't dry up now. So we just need to add some more water to it, and we're gonna begin applying this to our hair. I should wash those clips off. So let's see. It's a lightweight conditioner, as you can see. I don't know if it's me or did it just. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels. Oh, that. Oh, that felt good. Oh my. Oh. Wait. Not tripping. My hair was just. This just melted into my hair. Like it just. You. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my. Okay, that felt. Oh my god. Can we get this in a bigger size? I am amazed right now at how that just felt. Like that just like, oh my god, that just like melted into my hair. Like I'm amazed. Like I call me shocked because I okay I have not had a deep conditioner feel like this on my hair. Okay, I don't even know what to say. Like that just felt, oh my, this, oh my god, that just like completely just melted into my hair, and it feels freaking amazing. Like, that is crazy. I am shook. Like, I'm shook. Like, from here on out, I expect all my deep conditioner to feel like this. Like, I don't know. No, that is crazy. Like, I expect all my deep conditioner to feel like this. Like, you know what? I'm just gonna stop talking, and we're just gonna apply this deep conditioner to my head, because your girl is completely shook at how, like, we're gonna try another section, because that did not just sink into my hair like that. Like, that like melted into my hair, and I don't like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Like, we're just gonna go ahead and finish applying this to my hair, because if this stuff rinse out and leave my hair as amazing as it feel right now, I'm buying like 6-7 more packs of these just to have, in case they want, just to have for backup. Like, I don't even care about smelling like chocolate year round at this point. Like, oh. Alright guys, I'm done rinsing out the deep conditioner. Just in case you don't remember what deep conditioner I was trying, it was the Camille Rose Coco deep conditioner from their holiday line. This is what the packaging is looking like, and as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, it's actually freaking chocolate, and it smells just like hot chocolate. Now that's the only thing that really got me, is it smells like chocolate, and I have people tell me my hair smells like chocolate. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but if you want to taste edible like a snack or something, then I suggest, you know, giving it a try. But my hair is super moisturized, it's super shiny, it's super soft. Like, I actually love this deep conditioner, and I really need to go buy like 2 more of these kits, because I'm pretty sure it's just like limited edition, and it's gonna go bye-bye after the holidays are over. So I'm gonna make sure I go stock up on that deep conditioner, because in the beginning when you see me applying it to my hair, that was not fake. Like, that the reaction, I was really shocked by how it just soaked into my hair and how moisturizing it felt, and I was really shook. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I was really shook. Like, this deep conditioner is actually bomb. So if you haven't tried you haven't got your hands on it, go to Target, grab the holiday kit. It comes with body oil, as I believe I showed you guys. It comes with body oil in it as well, which is extremely moisturizing and radiance. And the only thing about it, I don't want to go around smelling like chocolate. That's the only thing about the oil that kind of had me a little stumped. But maybe, you know, to each his own, like I said. But yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button and that bell right next to it. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.